And you mostly work with digital issues, so it's your time life. How it happened in Turkey, and what is your experience in this? Would you share with us your
Yes.
ideas? Thank you.
Hi, me, thanks. I will talk just from the middle of the Turkey perspective as an Anatolian city after the capital Ankara. We are really big, but firstly, I want to present you my city and then my university very shortly. And then the online education system in the post-pandemic era in my university, RGS University, the current state. And I want to focus on the goals in the field of management information systems and digital technologies, because my field is management information systems. And here I'm the head of graduate programs of management information systems. And I will conclude my presentation with the interdisciplinary research field in the digital system designs in e-learning. I put you some photos to visualize. Kayseri is in the middle and in the middle of the Turkey, and we have a big industry here. We are a big crowded city actually. And we are in near the in the mountain skirts. It's a volcanic mountain, and still you can ski nowadays, and nearly 3,900 meters. So we are also touristic with paragliding, skiing, etc. And we are very close to Cappadocia area. So that's why we have 4 universities. We are quite big university here. 3 of them are governmental university, and 1 is private university. We are a research university in Turkey, one of 10 universities in the research university list. So we have a huge campus, and we are in the city. 90 faculties, 6 institutes, 43 research centers, and 8 research hospitals. Now nearly 60,000 students. So that's why it is very hard to manage a enterprise e-learning system with all these types and kinds of departments. I will look the perspective from my faculty of Economics and Administrative Sciences, and we have nearly more than 80 English courses actually. And we have departments, and plus we have interdisciplinary graduate programs. We separate the graduate programs, so we manage the graduates ones separately than our departments. Actually, we have systems I made here ready for you. This is one of our system which we use like Google Classroom, or which we um, manage the courses. We also have another system. It is a drive, and we put the videos, all videos on this system. Then we put the video URLs to here, and we also have another exam systems, etc. And we also plus have a faculty system. Faculty system is independent to fill the gaps in university systems, you know. So only 2 of the systems of university, ERUDM, ERUDEPO, these are integrated. The other ERUZEM, the real-time course and exam system, is not integrated the university system, because it is really big and too much people will use it, and Zoom does well these days. That's why as faculty, and most social faculties prefer to use Zoom systems here. And faculty systems are just softwares to fill the gap of the education. So you see the picture here, and our first problem is to be an information system. We need a common one, database. Then we can be integrated. We have to solve this problem. My university knows this. However, it is hard to solve it quickly. And second problem, we are all bored about too many systems, especially in my university, in my faculty, because I sign into that system with another password and another interface. So it is not a human-computer interaction system. Their interfaces are really need some education. So it is a really big problem. And the second problem is also known from my university, but still we will solve the problem. And also plus other problems like all Zoom and others have about adaptation to e-learning systems. Users are the university students, all the software users, I mean. They don't accept the features. It must be some social social educations or some regulations must be adapted to the system because our regulations are the old ones, and we now use the digital systems. And education is also changing, as other researchers said. I will repeat this part. I think technology can't replace human perception. Human factor in technology is very important, and the informatics field know this. And now, if we check the UX methodologies and software designs, then we see that the human factor is in the center. And also, plus, education is about serving. Now we must design the education. My university does like this. We record the course, then we put it in the system. Students must attend the classes at real time. However, we again put it on the system, and we believe that students will watch it again. Instead of that one, I can design something more better with some more good researchers or lecturers than me. This will be more effective, I think. When we check the Gartner's top strategic technology trends, innovative trends, we see that for 2021, the people centricity is very important, one of the three themes. And here the Internet of Behaviors trend is about using data to change behaviors. In these systems, in current systems, we don't do any step to change the behaviors. Now we need to design new systems where the center is human. Not only the human-computer interaction systems like Apple, but also we have to think the crowd. So we have to put the psychology, social psychology, and other social fields in the design process with interdisciplinary research in the education team. And that's how we have to do, I think. The social informatics field and digital motivation field must be taken into account in the system design. And persuasive technology, gamification, and other crowdsourced platforms must be thinking in the design of the e-learning system. And I will conclude with a project proposal. We just applied this month and to TÜBİTAK. TÜBİTAK is the Turkish Research Council of Governmental Research Council, and Malaysia with Malaysia MITE is the Industry Governmental Research Council of Malaysia. I'm not sure I say the right thing for Malaysia. We both apply to call to the education team with to design an adaptive, persuasive e-learning digital well-being system for academic and social success, because nowadays, as I see from the kids, that kids are all like robots and they need to learn to change behaviors in social systems because we open the course, and when I see one student with a camera open, I start being very happy in the course. Because they start losing their social skills, maybe. This project will design a digital well-being system and will use persuasive technology and gamification. That's the point of our proposal. And thank you for listening my information system perspective. And thank you for inviting me here. Thanks.
Thank you,
It's a pleasure.
It was really, very
yeah.
interesting. Yeah, and the idea to mix psychology and digital issues, information systems, it's really nice. And as well, it was really nice issue to mention that people are overloaded with systems, different systems. As well, in university have our system, as well Zoom, Google Class, etc. And people are really overwhelmed with this. Thank you for this report and for this information. I guess it was really motivated for us as researchers to find out new areas where we can use this pandemic period to submit interesting projects.
Yeah, we can also collaborate in Erasmus Plus agreements, projects, or other proposals as Erciyes University Faculty of Economics and Administrative Sciences. We will be happy to.
Yeah, thank you. And I guess here in this group of visitors of this panel, you will find not just your old partners, but new partners as well. Just check your email afterwards.
All these
and
goldies.
Still, the last attempt to address Vincent Giedraitis. Vincent, are you there? Vincent? Seems we lost him.